your carpet, soft, plush and beautiful. As much as you would like it to remain in its showroom shape, the everyday traffic of kids, pets and people give your carpet a beating. From dirt and grime, dirty footprints and traffic, even pet odors, all these things play a part in soiling your carpet and in most cases attracting allergens and causing unhealthy environments. Let our professionally trained technicians do the job for you. Our experienced technician will listen to your concerns and will recommend and follow through with proper cleaning techniques. From deep cleaning to spot cleaning, our goal is your satisfaction. Call us today.